Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Ops Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to a very useful tool for IT professionals, students, and anyone who works with computers. This tool is called Ventoy. What is Ventoy? Ventoy is a bootable USB tool. Normally, if you want to put an ISO file like Windows, Linux, or Hiren's boot CD on a USB, you have to format the USB and use tools like Rufus. But with Ventoy, you don't need to do that every time. How Ventoy works. You only need to install Ventoy on your USB once. After that, you can simply copy and paste any ISO files you want. You can put Windows 10, Windows 11, Hiren's boot CD, Linux, or any other bootable ISO, all on the same USB. Boot process. When you restart your computer and boot from the USB, the Ventoy menu will automatically appear. From this menu, you can select the ISO you want to boot, press enter, and your system will start from that ISO. Advantages of Ventoy. There are several benefits of using Ventoy. You don't need to format the USB every time. You can boot multiple ISO files from a single USB. Supports both legacy BIOS and UEFI. IT professionals can carry multiple tools on just one USB.
Installing Ventoy is a simple process. First, go to Google and search for Ventoy. Then open the official website ventoy.net. You will see multiple versions available for download. There is a version for Windows and Linux. In this video, I am downloading Windows version. It will redirect to the SourceForge where you can download the tool. After the download is completed, extract the download files and open the Ventoy to disk exe. The application opens, it will display the USB pen drive that needed to be formatted. Select the correct pen drive and click the install button. You will see two warning dialog boxes informing that all the data on the pen drive will be erased. Click yes to continue. On the left hand side, you can see the installed Ventoy version. Whenever a new version is released, you can simply plug the pen drive and update it using the update button. No need to reinstall. Now let's check the pen drive. You may see that there is no files are visible. Don't worry, Ventoy has successfully configured your pen drive as a bootable USB. I have copied some ISO file to this Ventoy prepared pen drive. If you boot a PC with security boot enabled and see a security violation message, don't panic. Click OK. Please watch the video and follow the steps. Boot from the pen drive again and the Ventoy will start normally. Simply select the ISO file you want to run and it will boot as expected. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.